So we're at that time of the year where a lot of people are getting ready for their above ground pools or in ground pools. And some of you are familiar with sand filters, which have become pretty popular. But unlike a lot of people, my wife and I did not like using the sand. It's messy. That's the best word I can think of. It's messy. So we switched to these AquaStrong pool filter balls, as you can see here. Now they come in a shrink wrapped bag. So you can choose between the 1.5, the 3.1, or the 4.6 size bag. We just recently upgraded to a much larger, more powerful above ground pool pump filtration system. So we got the bigger bags, which is basically, this is the middle size. This is the 3.1 size. But what's cool about these balls, and I'll go in a little more detail, is the 1.5 is equivalent to 50 pounds of sand. So just thinking about not having to haul all the sand around that you normally have to haul around when you're trying to deal with one of these kind of sand filter pumps. So even if you buy this particular size, which is the 3.1 size bag, just to be clear, the 1.5 pound bag, which would be the smaller bag than this one, actually is equivalent to 50 pounds of sand. Just think about that. Two big 25-pound bags of sand, 50 pounds of sand, that's a lot of sand. So you're actually saving yourself by using this. And what's cool about these is they're washable. So once you're done with them at the end of the pool season, you can wash them and reuse them again the next season, and they're still just as effective. So I cut open the bag and I took out one of these balls so you can kind of see the size of them. These little balls provide superior filtration. I mean, no more cloudy water. If you have a pool issue where you have cloudy water in your pool, it captures impurities up to 3 to 5 microns. So if you like crystal clear swimming pool water, this is probably the route you want to go. These fiber balls will not clog your filter like sand has a tendency to do, which helps extend the life of your filter. So who doesn't like having to backwash? I hate backwashing. So one other little thing that's cool about these pool filtration balls is you can just rinse these off, take them out of the machine, rinse them off, squeeze them out, put them right back in, which is going to cut down on a lot of your backwashing. And like I said a moment ago, once summer is over, take these little suckers out, throw them in your washing machine, and put them up for next season. Now I'm going to show you a comparison from the ones that we used last season. So these are the ones that we used from last season. You can see the blue color is not there any longer. But again, when you're figuring in chlorine and things of that nature that it's filtrating through your pool, obviously it's not going to still be blue because chlorine is going to change its color. But again, still just as effective and still does and serves the same purpose as this one here, which is brand new, and this one that we used the last 2 years. And another benefit of these AquaStrong filter balls is they actually work with sand cartridges, DE filters, which is diatomaceous earth filters, which makes them perfect for swimming pools, aquariums, and basically any place you want clean, pristine water. So my personal opinion, I would never switch back to sand. So if you're looking for something where you can upgrade your pool filter system and not have to deal with that annoying sand, the heavy bags of sand, plus this is lightweight. Just that alone, instead of having to carry a 50-pound bag of sand. So for my wife and I, in conclusion, this was probably one of the better choices that we made. I've even turned a few friends on to this type of a filtration system. I mean, what I love, again, just in wrapping it up, is the fact that you can rinse these off. You can use them again and again, and it's not like you're going out and buying sand and replacing sand every year like you would have to do with a sand filter. So again, as far as a review, I would give these a 5-star review because they've been amazing for us.